Thiko imwe thutha wa kiama kia Jubilee kwandikira ruhonge rwa uthuthuria na kamiti ya NCIC makienda honge icio ithuthurie miario iria Raila aratuika ariria ari Kajiado igio uhoro wa migunda riu honge ici ni ciamukirite ikaya riri. Mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Keriako Tobiko akiaraniria na ithui na njira ya thimu augite ni mamukirite ndumiriri iguru ria uhoro uyu na ni mambikite uthuthuria.
Investigations have been commenced by both jointly by DTI and NCIC. With a view to determining whether any offences of hate speech and incitement are disclosed against Honorable Raila. And both institutions have confirmed they are carrying out those investigations.
Aditi na mbere kuga ati merio ta ino ndiagiriire kuna ni kihoto kia mukenya wothe guikara na kurutira wira haria hothe angenda bururi-ini uyu.
The position from our end here as DPP, DCI and NCIC, the utterances attributed to Honorable Raila extremely disturbing. Under the Constitution, every Kenyan has a right to travel, reside, and work in any part of this country.
Na mutongoria uyu wa NASA ari icera-ini mwena wa Meru ni areganite na uhoro uyu wakiuga wekiria augire ni ati andu marekora makiendia migunda ni undu wa thina.
Wengine wanasema Raila alisema wengine arudi kwao. Hakuna mtu anasema arudi kwao. Mimi niliambia tu watu wamekuwa maskini kwa sababu ya utawala mbaya, wanakuwa maskini sasa wanalazimishwa kuuza mashamba yao. Nilisema sisi tutapigana na maskini.
Uhoro wigie migunda ni imwe wa maundu maritu maria matuirie thogothogo itari cia kihonia bururi-ini uyu gwa kahinda karaya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ri twaria kwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.